Ever wonder how electric motors actually generate rotational force? It all comes down to magnetic torque, and getting that calculation right is critical for motor design, robotics, and physics coursework. Our magnetic torque current loop calculator makes it instant. Just plug in three values: the current flowing through your loop in amps, the loop's area in square meters, and the magnetic field strength in Teslas. The calculator handles the rest using the fundamental torque equation. Here's a quick example. Say you have a 2-amp current loop with an area of 0.05 square meters sitting in a 0.3 Tesla field at a 90-degree angle. Your magnetic torque comes out to exactly 0.03 Newton meters. That's real usable engineering data in seconds. Whether you're a student, engineer, or hobbyist, stop doing this by hand. Hit the link below, try the free calculator right now, and take the guesswork out of your next project.